Hey boys and girls, the most important thing you can do to help you learn is to read every day. We are going to use a new website called Kids A to Z for reading. So when you do your reading assignments, you will be here in the Reading Workshop tab. Just go down and you'll find the reading section and you'll see your daily assignments. Click on Kids A to Z. You can click here or here. That will take you to the Kids A to Z site. Here you need to type in your teacher's username, which is Fife, P-F-E-I-F-F. Then click on Go. Now you'll see that we're in the right page and you'll see all your names down below. I'm going to be Skippy today. Click on your name. Next you'll enter your password, which is 123 for everyone. Then click Go. Now click on Reading. From here there are several options. I want everyone to please start on My Assignment. I have assigned each of you a book. You'll find your book down here. Skippy is going to read Gorillas this week. Now, there's a few things you can do from here. First, you're going to read your book. If you want to listen to the story, click on the headphones. Then click the play button.
Gorillas, written by Kira Freed.
You can pause the
Focus
reading by
question.
clicking on the pause button. You can turn the page down below. If you just want to read the book by yourself, click on the book button and you can click on the next button to turn the pages. On Thursdays, you will choose a few pages from your book and record yourself reading them. So to record yourself reading, just click on this microphone and then click on the record button. You'll have to allow the website to use your microphone and then you can start. Gorillas are members of the great ape family. Click the pause button to stop your recording or to pause, and then the square button to stop your recording. If you want to start over, click on the new button or this round circle button. On Friday, I'm going to go back to my assignment. On Friday, you'll take a quiz on your book. The quiz will be under this tab here with the question mark. It won't take me to the quiz yet because I haven't read the whole book yet. You can also read other books in Kids A to Z. Just click Back to Reading, then click on Reading Room. There are loads and loads of books in the reading room. You can find them by using these tabs across the top or see what other kids are reading here. You can explore this area on your own to find lots of great books. That's it for now. Happy reading!